Welcome guys! Let's imagine that you became a Moneyfest World student, that you join us in the course Crypto Investment Successful Start 2.0. Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how it would work step by step so you start learning and you get all the way to start earning money on cryptocurrencies and becoming a successful investor. My name is Pedro, and as you know, I'm one of the experts in the online school Moneyfest, so stay until the end with us so you can see how you can get a free slot in our course. Yes, you may have a chance to join us for free. So stay with us. This course is absolutely perfect for beginners and people who want to enter this world of cryptocurrencies but don't know exactly where to start. So you are in the perfect place because we have already helped those who tried investing before but they didn't see results and they wanted to get it better. Now, with all of that said, here you can already see this course, okay? In the course, we have 9 modules that go from the investor first steps all the way to the investment portfolio. We go step by step and we teach you everything. Now, in this course, we start with investor first steps, where you are going to learn how to choose an exchange, the place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, how to register on one of them, how to use the wallets, how to deposit, how to withdraw your profits, and everything that you may need. We make sure from the module 1 already that you start with the right fit and that you have no trouble at all. During the whole course, you are going to have expert support. We have a chat where you can ask me any questions you may have. For example, if there's something you don't understand, you just come and you tell me and we'll help you with it, okay? There's absolutely no problems at all. Now, continuing with the second module, in this one, we start learning how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Already in module 2, you're going to be buying and selling your first Bitcoins, your first Solanas, your first Cardanos, all of these things in the best way possible, of course. And after that, we start with the analysis. First with the technical analysis, analyzing how the trends work, how the support, the resistances work, learning how to see the graph and predict where the price is going to move. After that, we have the computer indicators, also for analysis, understanding about the computer indicators, which are formulas that help us find even better moments to buy and to sell, something that is very easy to do, but you need to know how to do it. Now, a part of that, on module 5, we learn about the fundamental analysis, the actual value behind the coins, the whales, the market news, everything that moves the market, the best strategies that you need to understand the fundamentals behind every single coin. Now, all of this doesn't go alone, okay? After every module, you are gonna have an online training with me. Okay, you have all the lessons on the GetCoach platform. As you can see, they are very easy to go through, but every single time we see a module, after that, you'll have a class with me to make sure that you understand everything step by step. So don't worry, again, we are gonna be there to help you. Remember that the idea here is to create a group of champions. This course doesn't only provide you the knowledge to actually do it, but also it links you up with like-minded individuals who are also looking to start making money in crypto, so we can all together arrive to the final destination. Now, after we do all the analysis, we learn about the money management rules, how to manage your positions so you can take your stop loss, your take profits, and make sure that you make your money increase even more by managing correctly your money, getting that financial knowledge. And after that, we enter into the most important modules, the introduction to arbitrage and the peer-to-peer arbitrage, where we will show you a method that allows you to make money with no risk in crypto, literally zero risk. I know it sounds crazy, but that's exactly what you're gonna learn in those modules, step by step. And after that, in module 9, the investment portfolio, where you will learn how to diversify your money, how to keep growing it now that you're already making it. Because the idea is that you make money and you keep growing it, as simple as that. Now, our students are already earning with us, okay? We have plenty of students that already came in, some students that are already in training, and if you want to join the course and become one of these champions, I do have some exciting news for you, so stay with us until the end. Now, lastly, you will have here all the access to any questions, any doubts you may have, and in every single module, you will have a module summary to see everything on a written format, a PDF, and a practical task where you will be able to check if you really understood everything, and we will check your results and make sure that you get the results that you are looking for. So, if that sounds amazing, I have amazing news for you, because on the 13th of November, we are going to be holding a free online training with the formula for earning with cryptocurrencies. In this online training, you're going to get a lot of free knowledge so you get started in crypto. And we are going to be giving away 3 free spots for our course, Crypto Investment Successful Start. Yes, we will give 3 of them for free between the people who is on the webinar. So guys, don't miss it, okay? Go to the link in the description, register yourself, and get a chance to win one of the slots to our courses for completely free. Come on the 13th of November, because I will see you there. I will already teach you a lot of very interesting things, and you will have the chance to join us in this course that can change you from where you are now to someone who's already making money in crypto. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you inside.